everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for June and it is Lookfantastic. It's the gorgeous box design this month. Ooh, I haven't opened it up yet, so I don't know what's inside. This is a PR box and that's why you're seeing it a little bit early, just so I can show you and tell you all about it, and then you can decide if it's a box for you or not. But all details and everything related to this box you'll find down in my description, as well as a code off your first box. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So if you're new to Lookfantastic Beauty subscription box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this month's box or next month's box, which goes on sale on the 1st of June. So if you really want this box, you're going to have to wait until the 1st of June, unless their May box is sold out, and then you'll be able to see on their website anyway. But yeah, 1st of June onwards you'll be able to get this. If you just want to skip forward to seeing what's inside, you will find a timestamp down below. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £15. They offer a monthly subscription where you can cancel any month, plus they offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside you receive 6 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, nail care, and also we have the odd freebie in there as well. As well as monthly subscription boxes, they do bring out limited edition boxes, and they do have quite a few on their website at the moment. I have got one which is all about perfume on the floor here, ready to film next. So if you're watching this unboxing first, then you'll see the limited edition perfume unboxing in the next couple of days. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their June box. So inside the box we get a little magazine here, and it details everything about the products inside the box, plus it gives you sneak peeks for any up and coming limited edition boxes, plus a sneak peek for July. So I'll open that up in a minute and tell you a little bit about this month's theme. But this is what it looks like, so let's get into it and just show you a glance. It looks like there's nothing in there. It doesn't look like there's much in there. They're all hidden. Okay, so going back to the booklet then, what is our sneak peek for July? It's an LMS product. Even though I love the Pro Collagen Marine range, we do seem to get it a lot in subscription boxes, but this is different. We have got the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser, and it's a little mini one. It's worth £22. June marks the 51st official Pride Month, and though we're potentially looking at the 2nd year on the run and able to celebrate with the usual parades and mass gatherings, there are still a number of ways you can get involved. Donate, read, check out virtual events. However you celebrate, the most important thing is that this month is as good as any to listen and learn. June is an important month for environmental awareness. Our theme this month is Elements, which is chosen in honour of World Environmental Day, June the 5th, and World Oceans Day, June the 8th. That's why in this month's edit we're delving into the nitty-gritty of what's really inside our beauty products, whilst also showcasing some of the beauty brands that are striving to save the planet. And it says go on to check out page 12 to 13 to find out more. I hope you enjoy this month's box, from the products to the story behind it, as much as I do, Amelia. Okay then, so let's go through it one by one. First up, we got a little pad for your face. This is by So Eco, and it's a gentle facial buffer. For every 100 of these facial buffers bought, they plant a tree for Tree Nation. Completely recyclable packaging. It's all fluff kind of mine. So that's what it looks like there. So you put your hand, you buff away. Or if you find it a little bit too, it's not harsh actually, it's not abrasive at all, it is quite smooth. I have got a few of these pads and there's no way I'd put it on my face, so I just tend to use it for like my body, but you could do it on your body as well, like before a fake tan for instance, especially on these dry areas. We have got an exfoliating pad from the award-winning environmentally responsible brand So Eco. Great for all skin types, this pad helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare products. Dampen with warm water and squeeze your favourite body wash onto the pad. Rub gently over your body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. So we've got a gentle facial buffer that can be used on any part of your skin. Next we've got a product by Rituals. I love Rituals. I absolutely love Rituals. This is the Ritual of Jing, and I actually have this. This is a relaxing mild body scrub, and there's 70 mils here. The scent is gorgeous. Does it say what it is? It might say in the information. It says, escape the hectic pace of everyday life through deep relaxation and restful sleep. So they released this range. I think they took over from the Ritual of Deo. I think so. This particular range from Rituals is more like relaxation, de-stressing, perfect for before bed. You can feel the grains there. So a nice body scrub, really nice body scrub. And yeah, you can use your buffalo with it. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. It contains sacred lotus, shea butter, coconut oil, and jujube. And I don't know what a jujube is, but anyway, an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultrafine bamboo particles and a cream base that removes dead skin cells whilst giving you the most relaxing bathing experience. Formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas such as neck and chest. How to use: massage onto damp skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water, follow with a moisturiser for extra smoothness. And scent. Yeah. Gorgeous product there. Next we got a product for your hair, and this is by Philip Kingsley, and this is from their styling range, Finishing Touch Polishing Serum, and there's 20 mils here. It's a little mini one. A frizz-fighting serum to condition, protect and help style your hair, packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. It contains vitamin B12, vitamin A and citric acid. And how to use: apply small amount to mid-lengths and ends or towel dried hair, dry and style as required. We've got a styling serum for your hair. Next we've got Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk, and again this is a little mini one, so it's 30 mils. Now we've had a few products from Balance Me before in lots of different subscription boxes, but I'm not sure about this one. Unless I have received it but I haven't used it. I don't know. Okay, so it contains salicylic acid and willow bark, a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer, clearer and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex, designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier whilst also gently exfoliating. How to use: massage into damp skin until makeup is fully broken down, rinse with warm water and follow with your favourite moisturiser. So you got a cleanser. Next we got a Dr. Lip tint, and it's 100% natural superfood red radish pigment, and we've got 8 mils here. Okay, let's try a little bit on my hand. On top of the Ritual scrub, that's fine. I always find it really hard to get these out. There. I have got another one of these, and it is nice. It is nice. It's the sort of thing that is nice in your handbag. So if you've got like dry lips and you fancy just a little bit of a flush of colour to your lips, then yeah, they are nice. A hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour with a 100% natural ingredient list for a softer pout. Contains lanolin and anthocyanins, if I've said that right, a plant pigment from red radish. It's a smooth onto your lips throughout the day as often as needed. There's a top tip here: apply to the cheeks and or eyelids for a glossy pop of colour. It's got a lip tint. And then lastly we've got our, I think this was our sneak peek from last month. I think so. Oh no, there was a bit of a cock up. I think did they try to have this Esper product in last month's box, but there was delays in shipping or something like that? I'm not too sure, so then they had to swap it for something else. Oh, I'm unboxing too many boxes. I can't remember. So this was supposed to be in last month's box, but we've got it in this month's box now. I think so anyway. You lot tell me. You lot tell me if I'm right or wrong. This is teeny tiny, but it is an eye cream. So if it was a moisturiser, it'd be like, it's only small, but an eye cream, yeah, you only need a dot, don't you? This is a 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser, and there's 7 mils there. There's 7 mils there. I have got the full size of this, and with eye creams I just swap around all the time. I'm currently using a Shiseido one, which is really nice. But yeah, I swap them around all the time. There's not one particular eye cream that I gravitate towards. A deeply nourishing and hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect and soothe your delicate eye area. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. It contains myrrh, frankincense and neroli, and ginkgo biloba, evening primrose and jojoba oil. It says gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone every morning and evening after cleansing. So those are all the products inside the June Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just gather them all up and I'll be back. So here we go. There's 6 items in this month's box. The cost of the box is £15. There's no value mentioned in the magazine about these products, but every box has a minimum value of £50. So we have got a lip tint, we've got a hair serum, we've got a cleanser, we've got an eye cream, we've got a body exfoliator, and we've got a face and body exfoliating buffer brush. No, not a brush, pad. I love the theme, I think it's fab. There's a really good range of products here, but for me, there's nothing there that really stands out as wow, even though there's some, you know, Rituals, Esper, you know, Kingsley, Balance Me. They're all, you know, Dr. Lips, So Eco, they're all well-known brands. They're all products that I've seen in subscription boxes before, and I'm not sure if I've seen them in Lookfantastic as well. Maybe the Esper cream and the Rituals, I'm not too sure, I can't remember now. As I said at the start, my, yeah, the boxes just merge into one. So based on my opinion, which really shouldn't be taken into consideration really if you're deciding this box for yourself, I'm a subscription box addict, so the chances of me being familiar with these products are a lot higher than before I was on YouTube when I was getting just 1 or 2 boxes a month. What are your thoughts? What do you think of these products? Would you use these products if you're not a subscriber? If you are a subscriber and you're watching this for a sneak peek, what do you think of the products this month? I'd love to hear what you think, because your own opinion is what really matters, and whether you think the products in the boxes are worth your while. But yeah, not a bad box, but not an exciting box, but for me personally. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.